How to pan fry nian gao with eggs. This is one of my all-time favorite snacks. Start by cracking a free-range egg into a bowl. Then use a fork to whisk it for about a minute until it looks like this. That's what we call whisked egg. Next, grab some scissors to cut the nian gao. It's still soft enough to cut with scissors, since this nian gao was made just yesterday. This homemade Chinese New Year cake has no oil and is less sweet, but it still has a nice balance of sweetness and a perfect texture. You can eat it as is without frying. It tastes like coconut toffee mochi and is super delicious too. I prefer to pan fry it with eggs, so let's go through my step-by-step process. Cut it into thin slices to get more servings, but if you want that chewy texture, you can cut it thicker. Taking it out is really easy. And you see that the stainless steel bowl won't stick together, right? Be careful when using a sharp knife to slice it. You can try both thin and thick cuts to see which one you like better. Heat up the pan and spray a little oil on it. I'm not a fan of too much oil because it can feel greasy. Cover the pan to heat it and the oil quickly. Then dip the Chinese New Year cake in the egg, placing each piece into the pan one by one. Fry until the base is half cooked. Then separate them and fry both sides until they're done. Don't overcook them or they'll turn dry or burn. Even if the nian gao cools down, it's still tasty. It actually tastes better than when you reheat it. So keep in mind that reheating will change the texture and flavor.
祝大家馬到高成，平平安安，開開心心。
I love serving Chinese New Year cake with jasmine green tea or homemade coffee, like cappuccino or cortado. It's the perfect afternoon snack, and my husband enjoys it a lot. Wishing all my viewers a very happy Chinese New Year. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video I created when I got back from my holiday. Happy cooking and happy eating, everyone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, my friends.